Don't need, don't want, don't need, don't want, no, do want. Oh, hi. It's Terry from Normal Gadgets. Thanks for stopping by. I wanted to give you some tips. I'm going through my phone right now and I'm trying to clean up space. I keep getting those nasty messages from Apple saying, hey, you're almost out of space. Hey, you're almost out of space. Hey, you're almost out of space. You should pay for more. You should pay $1.99. You should pay $4.99 for more space. So that way you don't lose everything that's on your phone. Well, you really don't need to pay for extra space. You can try to clean up your phone to save space. And so I wanted to give you some 5 tips here that possibly can really help you out. Number 1, delete apps you don't use. If you've got apps on your phone and your device and you're not using them, get rid of them. You know, if you haven't used these in 6 months, 9 months, it's an app that you might want to use one day. You might think that you'll need this. Or I've got 15 apps on how to correct my pictures. You probably aren't using all of them. Delete a few of them. Delete the apps you're not using, and I think you'll find that it does help your device. Number 2, get rid of music that you're not listening to. I've got a lot of music. I got music from the 70s and the 80s, and because I'm in that era. Delete the music you're really not listening to. It takes up space. You can stream these. You can re-download these if you miss these. I know it's nice to have these songs on your device because one of these days you're going to find that time that you're reading a book and you just want to listen to the music that you've listened to when you were 17. But thus, if you don't do it, delete it, save some space. Delete old messages. If you've got messages from folks from the past that you'll never ever use, that you really don't need, that you don't need a reference, get rid of the messages. It cleans up space on the text messages and on your emails. Just delete them, get rid of them, make your life simpler, right? How about number 4? Delete pictures, delete videos. Pictures and videos take up a lot more space than what you think on your device. And a video takes up a tremendous amount of space on your device, more than anything else. And if there's some videos on there that you want to keep, that's great. Offload them. Same thing with pictures. Offload them. But get them off your device. And I say that for a lot of main reasons that people come into our store all the time and their phone goes to the washer or dryer or goes in the toilet, and we can't, or we can sometimes retrieve the photos and their memories. It's best to have those devices, have those pictures and the videos offloaded. Google Photos is free. Gives you a tremendous amount of free space up in the cloud to save your photos. Amazon Photos does the same thing if you're an Amazon Prime person. So your photos and your videos can go up and be saved. So when this phone gets crapped out in a crapper, they'll be safe. And you're cleaning up space off your device. So that way you don't have to pay Apple to save it, right? And the last tip is to clear your browser cache. You know, your browsers, your history, you're looking, you're searching, that does add space. So clean that up. These tips will help you tremendously. And that's what we're all about. We're here at Normal Gadgets. We're here to get you back to normal. So if there's anything that we can do on tips and suggestions or to fix a cracked screen, we're here. Come show us your crack.